Nowadays, cooking a complete dish right from chopping the veggies has become a very difficult task and it's very time consuming. And let's not forget that not everyone is a chef. According to the research, across India, only 40% of the population makes use of online food delivery systems. So far, you have just had a glimpse about the problem statement, and now let's dive deep into a real time situation to understand the depth of the problem we are solving here. Yes, you heard it right. A real time example is me, a hostelite. Unfortunately, I am living away from my home and cannot find homemade food flavor, personalization of food, good quality and quantity of food delivered or ordered from a restaurant. I can't even opt for a restaurant which is far away since the particular restaurant's food delivery is restricted only to certain kilometers. Apart from all these issues, we find it really unacceptable to pay rupees 500 to a food for which not even rupees 100 worth ingredients are being used.
So now I'm going to explain you the solution for the given problem statement. We have built a machine which has intelligence, and using this intelligence, machine can cook food according to the user's taste. And these machines will be installed in our warehouses. By doing this, what we are trying to achieve is we are trying to make a chain of the kitchens. And now the most important part of our proposed solution is that using this technology and using this data, we can send food over internet. And how is this possible? Because we are digitizing the whole cooking process and analyzing the data which the users will be generating in our own platform. By doing this, we are converting any recipe into a machine code, and this machine code can be transmitted to any other devices, and the same food can be prepared to some different devices also. Hence, we can say that the sending food over internet is also possible using our device. We are going to install cameras in our machine so that we can have a constant surveillance on the food which is being prepared. Also, we have the option to suggest the quantity of any ingredient, so which makes the cooking process easy. And then also if the user is running out of time, they can order the socialized food. And the last point is that we charge only according to the quantity of ingredients which is used in the recipe.
I'll be explaining you about the innovation component in our solution. Sending food over internet is the innovation that we have come up with. You heard me right. The idea is to send the food over internet. How you send an image or a message through internet. It sounds interesting, right? This is possible with our product. The whole recipe is digitized, thereby the food can be sent over internet and same taste and quality is guaranteed. We've also created a platform where the users can socialize recipes and also try different recipes created by others. We have implemented machine learning algorithms, and by digitization of the food, now we'll be able to measure each individual taste. So personalized food can be cooked for each individual according to his taste. Business potential of our product. People prefer personalized food matching their taste, which can be delivered only through our product. So people will prefer to order from us. After lockdown, now people are more conscious about the health and food they consume. So we have a live real-time monitoring system to ensure maximum hygiene, and users will know what is being cooked in real time. People usually get bored eating same food ordered online. The main reason behind this that they don't get much option to choose from and also cannot try different recipes of different places. But in our case, for example, Indian customers will also be able to order from a Japanese restaurant as well. And with this, we are also creating business opportunities for local women and increasing sales of restaurants with our product. These are the two applications designed for our product. On the left hand side, you can see the social platform to share the recipe. To cook the socialized food recipe, the user can select the food and place the order. The order will be delivered to the doorstep. On the right hand side, you can see we provide a platform for users to cook their own recipes. Our machine will be allotted to a user, and instructions to the machine can be given through a mobile application. The users will be able to see real time, will have access to real time camera, and also can monitor the food being cooked.
Now I'm going to show you some images which are related to our prototypes. Like on the left side, you can see this is our machine in which we have installed all the components, and we have a few modules like measuring cup, measuring chamber, ingredient falling chamber, stirrer chamber, and then water dropping system. And on the in the center we have on the top we have machine which is cooking the Maggi, and the whole process is like automated. In the next slide, I'm going to show how the machine cooks Maggi or any other recipe. At the bottom, you can see we have the 3D structure of our prototype, but this is the previous version. Now we have modified our machine. On the right side, this is one more image related to our prototype. Now coming to the video and the final most part of our video section. Yeah, so this is the mobile application view of our software which we have made. You can see I'm giving the control from my phone, and the same thing is reflected in the induction also. I can change the temperature from my phone, and also along with that I can start the stirring also. In the next version of our model, we are going to put a camera through which the stirrer will be capable of identifying where the object or any item is sticking in the kadhai, and accordingly it will perform the action. Now I'm going to show you how the measuring thing happens. You can see the measuring chamber is like measuring Maggi right now, and as soon as it completes the given weight, it drops it into the kadhai, and our stirring chamber stir it properly. Even in the measuring section, we can measure the masala like up to 1 gram, or any small quantity also we can measure. You can see the stirrer is stirring now very properly. Even it creates a pattern in the kadhai so that nothing should stick in the kadhai.